Hi, for today's module, I have finding some alternatives for my web application. Um, so the first one I found is the Visual Studio, which is a great environment to start my HTML coding. And as you see, this is the result. It looks much more organized than using TextEdit from the MacBook. And this is the result, and the result is still as same as the other one, and it's the other visualizations still output still function great. And the second one is I have found is using the Streamlit, which is the Python library, so that I can use Python to create my own website that I can, and I have like it has the upload function. I can use a sidebar and to upload the file. So, and this is the result. So you see here, this is all I can do. This is what I can do. I can create I can put more contents on it, and I can insert my I can import all my visualization that I create with Python and import it on with Streamlit, and import my website with Streamlit. And here you see, as you see that I can browse the file like this, and I can choose the file, but it's not function great because I have not put much into this. But yes, that's all I have.